Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get water blossom in Terraria. First, let's talk about where to find this useful herb. Waterleaf naturally grows on sand and pearl sand blocks, primarily within the desert biome of your world. Keep an eye out for small, turquoise-colored sprouts on the ground. Remember, you won't find it near the vast ocean, so explore inland sandy regions for the best chance. To get waterleaf to bloom, you need rain. This herb only blossoms when it's raining in your game world. When blooming, waterleaf plants will display vibrant turquoise leaves and emit tiny water particles, making them easy to spot. It's important to note that on most modern versions of Terraria, you no longer need to submerge the plant in water for it to bloom. Just the rain is enough. Once your waterleaf is blooming, it's time to harvest. You can use any tool to collect it, which will yield one waterleaf and between 1 and 3 seeds. For a better harvest, consider using a staff of regrowth. This special tool can give you 1 to 2 herbs and up to 5 seeds. To create your own farm, simply plant the seeds in clay pots, planter boxes, or directly on sand blocks. Waterleaf is incredibly useful for crafting a variety of potions that will aid you on your adventures. It's a vital component for making fishing potions, which boost your fishing power, and flipper potions, allowing you to move quickly through water. Additionally, it's used in powerful life force potions and even the fun gender change potion, offering many strategic advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.